I just smoked these chicken legs and they came out so juicy. If it's got meat on it, I'm gonna smoke it. Chicken legs, man. Cheap, you can find them everywhere, packed with meat, feeds a crowd, cook fast, and almost no resting. That's why I love them. First thing, trim any excess fat and flappy skin, as these don't tend to render too well in the smoker. Go ahead and repeat the process until you have something looking like this. Speaking about seasoning, we are going to go ahead and apply some salt and pepper from both sides, nothing too crazy, as we will follow up with a nice rub. Okay, so this next step is crucial. We are going to lift the skin and apply the rub directly on the meat. This gives us the ultimate flavor, as the meat bastes with the rub, fat, and juices under the skin. Be gentle, as you don't want to rip the skin. And once done, we will also season from under and over. You will put a bit more rub on the skin and a bit more rub till you have something looking like that. We are going to repeat this on our 8 chicken legs and then we are ready to go. While the chicken is sitting out at room temp, we go ahead and prep the smoker. I usually give the smoker a quick clean before every cook. Most importantly, I like to give it a quick vacuum, especially the fire pot, as this keeps things running flawless. Next up, we are going to fill the hopper. We are currently using Burn Mountain Gourmet blend. I like to store my pellets in this little blue tank, as this keeps them nice and dry. Now, of course, one gotta stay hydrated, so nothing beats a good glass of wine while we chill a bit before we start smoking. Time to get the smoker running. Let it go through the startup cycle for 10 minutes. Once that's done, close the lid and bump up the smoker up to 150 degrees Celsius. Now that the temperature has stabilized, we are going to load up the smoker with that chicken, baby. Chicken's in. Time for that homemade barbecue sauce. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of oil, 8 tablespoons of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 to 5 tablespoons of honey, and in the end we're gonna crush 2 garlic cloves. Mix that up and it should look like something like this. The right side of my smoker usually runs hotter than the left. So at halfway, about 25 minutes in, we are going to switch the chicken legs. While we are at it, we are going to check the internal temperature, and as you can see, we are currently at about 61 degrees Celsius. After another 20 minutes, the temperature should be around the 70s mark. And we want a final temperature of about 82 to 84 degrees Celsius. Once you hit that 80s mark, we are going to glaze the chicken legs with that homemade barbecue sauce. At this point, the skin is very crispy, but of course you lose a bit of that crisp with the sauce. But in my opinion, totally worth it to get that juicy, sticky and sweet taste. To maximize the crisp, do not leave the sauce on the legs longer than 3 to 5 minutes. After no longer than 5 minutes, we are ready to go. Honestly, man, this became one of my favorite recipes. The juiciness, the combination of the intense flavor from the smoke and sauce is insane. You know the drill, baby. If it's got meat on it, I'm gonna smoke it.